How to automate your iPhone using shortcuts. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's tutorial video by NN, I'm going to teach you how you can automate your iPhone via shortcuts. So without any further ado, let's dive right in. So first step is you'll need to locate the shortcuts app. After you find it, open it up. After you're there, you will need to head over to the automation tab. You'll find it at the middle bottom. Tap on automation. And all you have to do is create new. So you'll choose a trigger like a specific time and location or settings, and then add a series of actions for it. So let's press a new automation for now. And you will need to create a personal automation. So press on any trigger right here, like a specific time or location. So let's just select time of day. And let's select any random time here. So I'm just going to do 14 p.m. You can repeat that daily and run after confirmation or run it immediately. It's completely up to you. So choose either one and then tap on next. So this is just an example of how automations work. And after you do that, you will then need to choose what you want to do. So here you can see there are different options already. You can, after you set and trigger, you will need to add an action. So to add an action, you can find different options here. So if I choose, let's say clock, I can set a timer now. I'll just select set timer. And after you do that, your first automation is done. So let's select this automation for now. There you can see automation run immediately to start timer. Now, whatever timer you've set already. So if I just scroll down from the top and see my timer, it's at 45 minutes. So it will basically start the timer at 1:15 p.m. daily for 45 minutes, and then it will ring. It's basically an alarm. And yeah, that's how you create an automation. Now you can do this for a lot of different options. So let's tap on plus icon on the top right again. Then select another automation or a trigger. So if I select Wi-Fi, press Wi-Fi, and after you've let's say left a network, I'll select run immediately. And or just let me choose the network here. Choose any network that you want. So let's select a network here. Tap on done. And then tap on next. Then choose an automation or choose what you want to do. So I'll just select, so let's say phone. Then I can call a person as well. So let's call a person and select a contact. So now whenever my iPhone leaves a network or leaves this specific network, it will ring a call to that very contact. And that's how you can automate stuff in your iPhone. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more.